Hey, what's up? I'm Trevor, the creative behind Khwalala Studios, where creativity meets purpose. Here we design visuals that talk, from both graphic designing to meaningful stories and visuals. With a touch of perfection and satisfaction, we turn imagination into impact. Stick around, we'll create something that speaks. I promised that I will teach you how to use the Bezier tool. So today we're just going to look at the how to use the Bezier tool. We are done with the interface of PixelLab. You know how it is. Just tell me, how is the practice going on? Because perfect practice makes one's perfect. So how far with your designs, guys? How far with the tools? Are you able to use the tools? So today I'm going to show you how we use the Bezier tool to come up with something with the kind of design that you're seeing on your screen, to come up with that kind of shape, as well as with the Bezier tool you can be able to come up with a log that you desire. For example, this one was done using the Bezier tool. So today I'm just going to show you how we use the Bezier tool. So I'm just going to hide this, change my background to pure white because this is gray, pure white. Then I'm going to go to a shape with the Bezier tool. This is the Bezier tool. But the Bezier tool to work perfect, it works together with the guidelines, the ruler, the margins, the grids. So this on top here, you can see the view, the zoom button, and as well as the guideline. So I'm going to tap on the guideline. So this is the guideline. So as long as you're working with the Bezier tool, it means you'll be working with the guideline. So I can come up with a square using the Bezier tool. I can come up with a triangle using the Bezier tool. I can come up with any kind of shape using the Bezier tool. So let's create a square. So I will activate this magnet showing at the bottom of your screen. That means it's activated. So what it does, every point where the horizontal and the vertical lines are passing through, it means that point will be a point of magnet. When I turn my point, it will be attracted at that point. For example, if I move this, it will be attracted automatically at that point. If I move this, it will be attracted. If I move this here, it will be attracted. So here, because I have the 4 points, I can be able to come up with the square. What do I need? Now I need to work with the nodes. So if I stretch this node to this point and stretch the other node straight, the guides, the magnet directs you where to place your node. If I stretch another this point to this point, and this one is the last point, so where should I stretch it? I have to stretch it here. That means if I join these lines, I have another node. So I'm going to stretch this node to the top, and I'm going to select this node on top and stretch the other node, because every point have 2 nodes. So I'm going to stretch this node down to meet the other node. That means I have a square. What do I need to do is fill the shape. So if I go on the color and select any color that I want, I have now a square. So this is how you come up with the square using the Bezier tool. Of course, it's a little bit hard, but why going through the Bezier tool whereby you can just come here and tap the square tool? So the Bezier tool is important because you work with the shapes that you can create shapes that are not yet available in the PixelLab. You can come up with different kinds of polygons that you want using the PixelLab. Some of these shapes are already in the PixelLab, so you don't have to use the Bezier tool to create them. But from other shapes, the polygons, the different kinds of polygons, you can use the Bezier tool to create them. So I'm going to delete these shapes that I've created. If you can see, this has a stroke which is black. So you can disable that stroke by going at the edit. It's going to take you to the setting of the Bezier tool. Then if you look at the stroke with it, it's at 5. You can just want to reduce it to 0. Then you have the shape. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going again to the Bezier tool. Let's create another shape. So we have 2 nodes. If I tap this, I'll add another node. If I tap this, I'll add another node. If I want to move a node, I'll just select the move tool. This is the move tool. You move the whole objects. Here you move one node at a time. One node at a time. If you want to add another node, you're going to select here, then press where you want to press the other node. So I'm going to delete a node. I need 4 nodes. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to delete and delete. I'm remaining with 4 nodes, so I need to move the nodes. So I'm going to activate the guidelines, adjust a bit my guidelines to where I want. So I'll move it like this, like that. Then I'll deactivate the settings of the guidelines. My magnet is activated. So I just tap this node, press it where I want, tap this node, press it where I want, tap this node, press it where I want, tap this node, press it here. But what I want to create something unique. So I'm just going to go to the settings, add another line, go to the settings, add another line. So I'm going to press it here and this one here, activate it. Then I'll press this node here. I'm going to press this node here. I'm going to press this node here. What I need to do now is to work with the internodes to connect to each node. So I'm going to stretch this straight here, stretch this straight to this point, stretch this node straight to this point, stretch this point here, and this one, or no, this one on top to this point, this one to this point. Then I need to join them. So to join them, you tap this node. Then I'll take this, I'm moving it around, put on top, then move the node like that. So I'm going to stretch this to this point, tap this node on top, stretch the anternode to this point, and reduce the stroke width. Select the color that I want. What's happening? It's not working. Oh, okay, the internode. Alright, I tap this point, tap this point, tap this point. It's activated. Alright, then I'll select this color. Why is it not working? Oh, I was selecting the stroke color, sorry. So here we have the shape. Wow, it's amazing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to import an image, a PNG image. So I'm going to downloads. I'm going to let's see which picture can we take. Actually, this is taking a time to load, so I'm just going to take this, take it, put it somewhere here. Amazing. No, let's put it somewhere here. Then I'm going to work with the mask tool. So I'm going to mask this, activate it, then tap this top point, reduce it here. Then I'm going to activate my guidelines. After activating my guidelines, I'll make sure I set the guidelines to 3 points. Then I'll activate the settings. Then I'll move my guidelines because I want it at the top, at the corner. Press them at the corner here. Amazing. Why am I pressing them at the corner? It's because I want to make sure that the points should be straight on those lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press 2 nodes. So first I need to move this whole shape. First I need to move this mask 2 up, then take 2 points. It should be on top like that. Then I'm going to take it down again like this. So I'm going to press my nodes on the points. I've forgotten to put the horizontal lines. So I'll take this point, put it here like that. So I'm going to take this node, press it here, take this point, press it here. Then what I need to do is to work with the nodes, internodes. Then I'll take this internode, press it directly to the node, take that internode, the top one, press it directly to the point. Then I'm done. Look at it. Look at it. So what I'm going to write here, I'm just going to name it, let's say big boys. Big boys. Big boys what? Big boys don't cry. Yeah, those sometimes people cry. Big boys don't cry. Looking for a good font. Let's look for a signature. Let's put this one. You have your design. So you save it. Let's go and put the gallery and see what we have. I'm going to go through my gallery. PixelLab designs. Wow. Look at it. As if the person is coming from the inside the shape. So that's the unique of being creative. Because it looks like the person is inside the shape and then he has protruded out of the outside. As he is in the hole. So he's coming out of the hole. Alright. So now right now we're just going to create the log. Alright. This was my recent design using the PixelLab. We are also going to look to other applications whereby we use them to enhance our designs. For example, you can look at this right that is coming this area. You don't add this using the PixelLab because the PixelLab has some kind of limited tools. So you use other applications to enhance them, to enhance your designs. You can add there. Sorry, I don't need to see all of this. Right? Okay, so yeah, we are done with this design. So this is what I also created using this. So try to do it using the Bezier tool. Make sure you have a PNG. I'm going to show you how to remove a background. We use a core software which is called Photoshop, but sometimes because you're using a mobile device, you can use a website or an application. You can download it. It's called a Photolum. It's easy to use. It's AI moderated, so use some of the algorithms. So you just press your picture and it will remove automatically your background. So you can download an application or you can use their websites, because for you to use the application, your Android need to be more than 8.0 Android version. But if it is raised, then you can use their website. Just go on Google, search PhotoLab, then you got press remove background, then it will automatically load and remove the background. And what you're going to have is the PNG, an image or stock which doesn't have a background. So just go and search Photolum. The icon of the Photolum, actually I don't have the icon. Just go on the website and check. Alright, so what we're going to do is let's create something, a log, using the Bezier tool. So I'm going to hide this. So I will activate this. This also I created it using the Bezier tool. So what you need to do is to work with the guidelines. Every point, every corner, every edge, you make sure that you press the guidelines. So I'm going to activate this guidelines. So I'm going to start with this vertical, press it where the edges are ending. Take this, press it here. Take this, press it here. And I'm going to add another lines. Where are they? Going to add the vertical, press it here. Take this one, press it here. Why are the other vertical lines not adding up? Take this, press it here. Take this, press it here. Oh, they're adding at the bottom. Okay, take this, press it here. Take this, press it here. Take this, press it here. I'm adding the guidelines at the points, the corners, the edges of the shape. So take another one, add another one. Take this, come on. Why? Take this, press it here. Where else? This point. So add another horizontal line. Take this up, press it here. I'm going to add another point. Take this, press it here. I hope that's all. Am I forgetting anywhere else? No, right? Alright. So we're going to be working with this. So I'm going to my Bezier tool. Okay, let's try to reduce the opacity of this. So I reduce the opacity to that, so that you can see clearly what I'm doing. Go to my Bezier tool. Where is it? Alright. So what I'm going to do is to take the nodes, press it where the vertical and horizontal lines are meeting. So I'll move this point to this area. Come on. To this area. Then I'll take the next point, press it here. I'll take this point, press it here. I'll take this point, press it here. I'm having two lines. What's long? Okay, let's try to see what we're doing. Alright, I'll delete this one. Then edit. Then I'll take this point, press it here. Oh, I'm remaining with node. So I'll take this, add a vertical line. Take this point, press it here. Then I'll take this point, press it here. Then add another node. Take this, press it here, press it here, press it here, here, all the corners, like that. So it's not just a matter of arranging them. So I know it's cumbersome. But yeah, you're going to run it. So I'm going to move this node, press it here, press it here, press it here, press this here, press this here, press this. Yeah, we're remaining with another line. So add another vertical line, take it up to this point. Then I'll press this node here. Come on, here. Then this node here.